So we're actually on our way to Disney World right now. We left Palm Beach about 9, so we're halfway through our drive up there. And I thought I would open a pin bag. I have quite a few. I think I've said before I like to buy them and collect them, and then every so often spread the magic and open them when I feel I need a little bit of happiness. So I have this one. I believe I got it back in December in Animal Kingdom, and if you can see, it is all Mickey ears. I've never gotten this pack before, so I really don't know what I want. You do get 5 in this pack, so we shall see what I end up with. I think it would be kind of cool to get the Steamboat Willie one, but we'll see. So I came prepared. I have my scissors. The really good thing is we're staying for the weekend, and they've already texted us that our room is ready, so we can go straight there when we get there. Okay, so I have it open. I'm not gonna peek. Okay, let's see. First one. Oh, that's cute. So if you can see, it's Alice, and on one of the ears is the Cheshire Cat, and on the other is the Queen of Hearts. Super cute. Okay, next one. Ooh, this one's big. Oh, maybe it's 2. I think I have 2 in my hand. Do I? It feels weird. They were stuck together. Okay. Oh, this is cute. I don't know though, is this like a groom Mickey? Or is it like Haunted Mansion? I don't know. But it's cute. Can you see? Okay, I think this is from Phineas and Ferb. Am I right? I don't know. This will definitely probably be a trade. Okay. Little teacups from Alice in Wonderland. And you have the little mouse in the middle. Okay, last one. Let's see what I get. This is cute. It's the little dog. Is it Tramp? From Lady and the Tramp? I think so. So those are the 5 that I got. Overall, I'm not too happy with this selection that I got. I think I will definitely be trading quite a few of these. Will I get this pack again? Probably not. I said it before, I like pins with a little less detailing, that have bigger areas of color. That's just more my style and the aesthetic I like. But this was fun, a fun way to pass the time as we drive. Anywho,